I took an icing cone to go through my cake. I used the coupler so I could change the tips using the same icing bag. To make the shell border, we use a star tip. And look how I'm pushing the icing a little bit forward, letting go so that it makes a little tail. For this cake, I didn't need to really smooth out the top because I'm going to put many decorations on top. But in order to smooth it, I sometimes take some water and put my spatula in the water, warm water, and just go on top with it until you smooth out your icing. If you have a space between your cake and your cake board, you can always fill it up with icing, and then on top of that do your borders. On the side of the cake, I also used a star tip, but this time I didn't make a shell design, I made like a star design. To make the color in the bag, you can either mix two colors and put one color on each side of your bag, or what I did, I just put some coloring on one side of the bag. I first did red, and then I believe I added yellow later on. To write on this cake, I used a small star tip. Mostly I draw on the cake, but this time I decided to get these little Hello Kitties and this cup, which run it over. Use your favorite candies to put inside the cup. In between my shell borders, I used the writing star tip just to make little flowers in between. I decorated with Hello Kitty colors, red and yellow M&Ms. You don't have to be an engineer to know you need something to support the cup. So I used a little Hello Kitty.